What are the best settings of Canvas in games? First of all, what is Canvas? Canvas is the parent of all UI objects. All UI objects are its subsets, and it manages them generally. It has different settings: screen space overlay, screen space camera, and word space. First mode, screen space overlay, used in 2D and 3D games for creating menus and different pages. For example, we have a 2D game here. Canvas settings is set on overlay. This way UI elements are much farther and they completely separated from game objects. Which if we go forward, game objects are completely in another space and UI is in another too. But in game guild, we see them next to each other. Preferably in 2D games for better management and to see where our objects is standing in the game itself, we set render mode to screen space camera. Now give main camera to render mode. With this, all UI elements display exactly on game objects. Exactly like the scene we see in build game, that we can manage their layer with order in layer option. At last, we should select scale with screen size and enter the aspect ratio of game window here. Now how it works in 3D games? Assume we wanna display a page or display game currencies in game scene. Best settings for 3D games in this mode is screen space overlay, which if you come to the game scene and double click your canvas, you will see a space which is completely separated from game objects. Why screen space camera is not proper mode for 3D games? Cause when we put canvas on this mode, canvas and UI elements put exactly on camera. And in this way, it's possible that UI and game objects conflict with each other, like now. Last setting is word space, and we use it when we want an UI element always stays on its prepared position. Like what? Like the image that's put on buildings. Which with it, we can click the building. Or enemy health bar that is staying above them. In this mode, decrease the canvas size enough to put an UI element like a slider above enemy's head. So in general, screen space overlay and screen space camera both are suitable to create menu and page. The difference is in overlay mode. UI elements are in a separate space, completely apart from another objects. But in screen space camera mode, UI elements display exactly on the camera itself, which is more suitable for 2D games. And word space mode is for elements we wanna be fixed in gameplay, like image above buildings that can be clicked or enemies health bar. Thanks for watching, have a nice day!